Excuse me guys, I need to move my motorbike. Can you go and take this to a different hive, please? I need to move my motorbike. Guys, you could have picked you could have picked a different kind of place to chat. Are you done? Are you done yet? Guys, I kind of need to go. Guys, are you done yet? Do you want me to book your hotel? I can check and see if there's a room at the Beehive Inn. No? I think, yeah guys, I really need to go. I'll just leave you to it, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Is that okay? Right, okay. Just yeah, just take your time and enjoy. Right, come on guys, that's me ready to go now. The bike's all been stripped, and I think you guys need to go and get a room. Off you go, come on. Booked one in the Beehive Inn. You guys still at it? I think you guys need to come on, get your buzz on, buzz off. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can pick you guys up and move you away, because you're right in the middle of the pavement here, and it's not great for anybody. Okay, so don't have a go at me. Oh, you're gonna buzz off. You can just keep on doing what you're doing. Oh dear, oh dear. That's you're hanging on for dear life, mate. Just need to get into the side, that's all. Come on, climb on. Oh, that's it, into the bushes. There you go, that's better. Welcome to, oh, hang on in there mate, hang on. She's not really picked the best place for you. Sorry. Yeah, enjoy guys, I need to go. See you later.